In this video, I'm going to show you a business model that you can get started from the comfort of your own home with just an internet connection and a laptop. And the best part about it is that you don't necessarily need money or capital up front, any previous skill or experience, or have any audience at all. And what we'll talk about here, guys, is the no-code SaaS. Stand for no-code software as a service.
What I meant, guys, is selling a no-code AI agent. So check this out. I built it right inside my software with my name and my brand on top of it. See here? AI agent. It have knowledge base, so that means it can learn to be an agent for any businesses. It have calendar, so it can see and book appointment onto anyone's calendar. And the best part, it does most of the selling for me. So I'm going to pick my target here. I'm going to pick hair salon in Sydney, but you can literally do it for any businesses. Just use the exact same AI to scrape all the name and phone number in a spreadsheet. And just have it cold call all this business owner.
Hi there, just wondering, is your salon open today?
Well, it depends who asking. Who are you?
Fair question. I'm calling because I came across your salon online and your work looks amazing. Just so I know who I'm speaking with, what's your name?
My name is Alex.
Thanks, Alex. I wanted to share a quick idea with you. We help salons like yours book 20 to 30 new clients every week using AI to handle bookings, follow-ups, and even no-shows automatically. Brief pause. Here's the wild part though, you're actually getting this call from that same AI system. I'm not a person, I'm the product. And I am built specifically to help salons grow without hiring more staff. Alex, if you're even a little
Look, I'm not interested. Just get to the point and tell me what's the cost of this.
Totally fair, Alex. The reason for my call is simple. I'm part of an AI system that helps salons like yours bring in 20-30 new clients every week without you needing to chase leads, deal with no-shows, or hire
Just
extra
answer the
staff.
question, what is the cost?
Great question, Alex. The cost depends on the size of your salon and how many clients you want to bring in each week. Most salons see it as an investment because it pays for itself with the new bookings it generates.
Alright guys, I normally charge $2,000 to $6,000 setup, and hair salon normally pay me $297 per month to $997 per month to keep this AI agent running. Here's the proof, guys. Lead Estate LLC. You can see all the subscription running through my account. And no, this is not a screenshot. Grow up, guys. It's reload right now and refresh. Boom, boom, boom. And look, I'm not some guru who tries to sell you some $1,000 course. We have none of that. But I did happen to make a free AI course that will show you how to set this AI agent from scratch in as little as 48 hours and profit from it in the next 7 days. Just comment the word AI below and I will send it over to you.